Hey everybody, Rolly here. Did you know in California, cannabis has been legal since long before the passing of recreational use, Proposition 64? Yep, before today's recreational use of marijuana, cannabis was legal for medical purposes. You see, back in 1996, the people of the state of California enacted Proposition 215, known as the Compassionate Use Act. That act ensured that seriously ill Californians have the right to obtain and use marijuana for medical purposes, and also ensured that patients and their primary caregivers who obtain and use marijuana for medical purposes are not subjected to criminal prosecution or sanction. That act codified medical marijuana in California's Health and Safety Code. And in 2003, the state passed Senate Bill 420, which says the legislature intended to enhance the access of patients and caregivers to medical marijuana through collective, cooperative cultivation projects. And in 2008, Jerry Brown, the then California's Attorney General, released guidelines for medical marijuana. The guidelines say, under California law, medical marijuana patients and primary caregivers may associate within the state of California in order collectively or cooperatively to cultivate marijuana for medical purposes. The guidelines say a cooperative must file articles of incorporation with the state and conduct its business for the mutual benefit of its members. The guidelines also says, although medical marijuana dispensaries have been operating in California for years, dispensaries as such are not recognized under the law. The only recognized group entities are cooperatives and collectives. Now, a lot has changed since the state's evolving to recreational use in 2016. But as I go into the story of MyCaregiver Cooperative, it's important for you to know how MyCaregiver and medical marijuana was a right before recreational use. Next time, I'll share with you how I got into the industry and a couple of stories from before I founded MyCaregiver. Big thanks to all those who show support, follow, like, and share this content. Know you're a big part of getting this truth out, and it's much appreciated.